Hi friends, here is a quick green mung bean recipe. Because of its optimal nutrition profile, I use these beans in many of my recipes. These blend in very well so I can feed my family nutritious rich foods without they actually knowing it. These can be mixed in other recipes or eaten by itself with some onion, cilantro and yogurt. When soaking the beans, you can also add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to help with gas and bloating. After 3 hours, make sure you rinse the beans very well to take out all the phytic acid before you cook them. You can use these beans as a separate dish or you could add it to any other recipes and make the dishes more nutritious. For the full recipe and more, check out my website at honeylemonginger.com/recipes. For nutritious weekly recipes, subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching.